I was in mood for some mutton curry, so I called up my mom and she gave me this amazing and easy recipe which you could make in a pressure cooker. So let's make some amazing mutton curry in a pressure cooker. So for the mutton curry, we'll first prepare the marinade. For the marinade, we'll take 2 big onions cut into cubes. To this, we'll add 5 green chilies, some whole spices which include 1 cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms, and a couple of cloves. To this, we'll add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. You can also add fresh ginger and fresh garlic, or you can use the ready-made paste. Additionally, we'll add about 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. We blend all of this together into a coarse mixture. We don't want to make it too smooth. We blend this all into a coarse mixture. As we can see, the paste is not too fine or too smooth. It is a coarse paste. Now we will marinate the mutton. We take the coarsely ground onion paste with the other spices onto the mutton. To this, we'll add 1 cup of yogurt and we'll now give it a proper mix and marinate the mutton. I've thoroughly washed the mutton already with hot water and salt and turmeric. So make sure that you do that. Once you have marinated it, we let it rest for half an hour and then we continue the process. We take about 2 tablespoons oil in a cooker. To this, we'll add some bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, and 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds. We'll add 1 finely chopped onion to this. We'll cook this until the onions become translucent. We'll add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. To this, we'll add about 1 teaspoon of chili powder just to give it that color and flavor. And half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We keep stirring it at medium heat, making sure that the spices don't get burnt. Once the tomatoes have mixed well with the onions and turned mushy, we can add the marinated mutton to this. Once you have added it, give it all a mix. We'll let it cook for a bit until the mutton releases a bit of water, and then we'll proceed. You can see that the mutton has started releasing its water. To this, we'll add about 1 cup of hot water. Depending on the consistency of the gravy, you can add or reduce the water. I would say keep it less. Later on, if you need more gravy, then you can add some more water to this. We add some salt according to taste. We cover it up and give it 2 whistles to cook properly. After 2 to 3 whistles, depending on the meat, we let it rest. Do not take out the extra pressure. Let it cool down, come back to room temperature, and then we open it. Now that it has cooled down, the pressure has been released. Let's check how the mutton curry is. The oil has been released. The mutton looks really cooked. Let's check it out. We can see that it has been cooked perfectly. You can serve it with rice or roti and enjoy. Oh, looks amazing. The oil, the fat is floating on top of the gravy. It smells really good. Let's try it out. I've got some rice here. The mutton looks really tender. Give it a mix. Enjoy. The mutton is so tender. It's cooked all the way through. The mutton is really tender. Look at this mutton. It's so tender. It's amazing. This is the first time I made it and it's damn good.